When it comes to protecting your home, knowing exactly who's at your door matters more than ever. That's where the Ring Battery Video Doorbell Plus Spotlight Cam Plus steps in, offering a wireless and easy-to-install solution with impressive features. This device boasts 1440p HD video with a head-to-toe view, so you get a clearer, more complete picture of visitors or packages on your doorstep. Installation is hassle-free, typically done in about 5 minutes thanks to its wire-free design. The color night vision is a standout, allowing you to see activity outside your home clearly even after dark. Privacy zones let you block out areas you don't want monitored, which is great for respecting neighbors' space or avoiding false alerts. Speaking of alerts, this doorbell offers fine-tuned notifications including person and package alerts, so you're only notified when it really matters. Adding to security, the built-in spotlights of the Spotlight Cam help deter unwanted visitors by illuminating pathways and verandas. The Ring app integrates all your devices, allowing you to arm or disarm your system remotely and customize settings easily. Plus, features like quick replies let you respond with pre-recorded messages when you can't answer the door. Customer feedback highlights the sharp video quality and straightforward installation as major positives. Some users mention the need for a Ring Protect plan to access video recordings beyond live view, though a 30-day free trial is included. If you're considering a reliable and user-friendly wireless video doorbell, this Ring option offers a solid mix of features and convenience. This product may be on special on Amazon right now, so check the link in the description if you want to see the latest price or take a closer look.